A look at Norwegian Pearl interior stateroom 8003. This stateroom is located forward and just slightly starboard of the ship's centerline. The overhead view gives you a good look at the cabin's layout. Entering the room is a small hallway with closets on the left and the head on the right. The bed is directly forward. It can be configured in either a queen size or two twin bed layout. It can get pretty tight with the +1 bed configuration. A small desk with shelves and mirror is on the left. A reverse angle completes the view of the room with television and more small shelves. The fold-down +1 bed looks formidable, but even an old fart like me can easily get into it. The overhead is close, but allows plenty of room. The two-door closet holds your life jackets and has a half closet on the right with room safe and 2 drawers. The left closet is a full length to hold your ball gowns or garment bags. There are provided hangers, so you don't need to bring any. The bathroom is pretty standard for a cruise ship, but does seem a bit small. The shower, strangely enough, is fairly large with a clothesline, shower wand, and included shampoo and body wash, so you could leave yours at home if you wish. There is a large mirror over the sink and additional shelves. The toilet is the standard vacuum flush model and is very close to the wall. This could lead to some side saddle sitting for the taller cruisers with some rubbing of your legs against the bulkhead. A couple of important items to note is this cabin is almost directly above the Stardust Theater, so you may notice some noise from the floor. This was not an issue during my stay. The biggest downside to this room, in my opinion, is the proximity to the ship's anchors. If the ship is mooring out of port, then you have a front row seat audibly to hear the anchor being lowered starting at around 6:30 a.m. It is quite the loud sound and is sure to rouse you out of your sleep regardless of how good your dream was. Overall, this was a fine room and served me well during my stay, well, other than the anchor noise.